Here I am. Oh, guess what? Whoop, whoop. Hey, everybody. This is Get At You. And I'm going to go and holler at my girl Nyla. She's about to get another room. I heard she's moving up in the world. She's getting a bigger room. It's going to have a shower so her daddy can take the shower with soap and water. Soap and water.
Butt in my face.
Yeah.
Oh,
My butt not in your face. My butt. You already know. I got the bubbles. Oh, yeah. Hey, baby. Give me a kiss. Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Yeah. Yeah, that's how we start off the show. And I'm going to give your mama a kiss, too. Hey, baby. How you doing? Hey, Get At You, want a kiss. Now, you put your tongue back in your mouth. Your tongue. I don't want your tongue. No, because you like drink coffee too hot. Oh, yeah. Do the stinky leg. Do the stinky leg. I do it all. Look. I do the wing around the rosy. Look, you love me, don't you?
Your eyes gonna cross.
Straighten your eye. I'm gonna kiss that eye. I'm gonna kiss that eye.
Stop. You in my eye.
Oh, Get At You. I'm sorry. You know what? I need something. I need something to drink. You have something? I need something to drink real bad. I'm thirsty.
You're drinking your bottle.
That bottle good.
Stop.
And I need my meds. Yeah, you know I like those.
There's something here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oxycodone. He go crazy over that stuff.
Right.
Look, my legs are wiggly. I got the wiggle legs. Baby, guess what? Jamaz is coming. And it's so crazy in here. It's so funny to me. And I'm going to beat him in all types of games. To Get At You is the game winner. Yeah. Oh, hey, where your daddy at? Hey, I heard you like to take showers with no soap. What type of individual are you? I'm going to have to change your schedule. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'm just going to sit right here. And stare at you, staring at me. Yeah. Oh. You just love me, don't you? They Get At You. Oh, yeah. Police coming. Gotta go. See you later. Bye.